Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, BNB has now, by the way, in the last video, I think we talked about this resistance area here for a wave 4. It did react to that and would have been a nice short from this resistance area, which was this wave 4 resistance, and possibly it has completed a fifth wave down. Now, again, it's also here too early to confirm that it has bottomed, but can you see the 61.8 retracement? Touched it perfectly, yeah, with the accuracy of, I don't know, a cent. So it came down, you know, and this always gives confidence in the wave count, or at least it shows that the market and the price is respecting these fibs and that the fib levels are drawn correctly. If you see the price doing like a touch point landing on one of these fib levels. So the idea for BNB is continues to be that we did rally here in a possible wave 1, move down, possibly corrective, A wave, B wave, C wave, and if we continue to see the market hold $245, not drop below it substantially, then we can still get that third wave. So there is, in that sense, no change to the wave count. At the moment, it's actually doing what we want. It's entered our wave 2 support area. It's holding support. It touched the 265 level and it's on its way out of the support area, but it's too early to say if the move down is complete. I would like to see a break above the wave 4 high as initial evidence. That would be a move above $294, the wave 4 high. And to the downside, support remains, so it can theoretically still use the entire area. For example, what would be possible, if we see an extension to the fifth wave, that might be possible. You know, we can't rule that out, that this was only the wave 1 of 5. This is a wave 2 of 5. We come down in 3 of 5 and so on, you know. But for now, we can be watching if this is the low, because we have a corrective structure to the downside complete. Now, what is also interesting is we can draw here this corrective price channel. We take a parallel line, add it to the low of the A wave. Based on this, yeah, I mean, it could still come down. If it makes one more low, it might be interesting to be watching this corrective price channel here in orange. They tend to come back to these levels sometimes. And to be honest, we might need to expect one more low. And the reason is that I'm looking at this C wave as an ending diagonal. That's why the wave 3 was so choppy. So the wave 5 might also have an ABC structure, because if the wave C is an ending diagonal, each of the subwaves are an ABC. So be ready for possibly one more wave down. Not needed necessarily, but it would give us a clearer three-wave structure: A wave, B wave, C wave, possibly touching down there the corrective price channel. And yeah, I mean, if we look at the fibs, all okay, below $245, however, would open the door a little wider to the $140 level. Yeah, this is key. Now, below 245, it's not like, okay, we're definitely going to come down, but it will significantly reduce the likelihood of that third wave to $400 plus if we break and sustain below $245. Yeah, it will open the door for the bearish count. So this is the threshold. Be aware of that, please. Yeah, but currently we are in a valid long trade setup, and it will be interesting to see if we indeed are able to hold the $245 level. It currently doesn't look too bad. We had a bullish crossover on the MACD. I'm just watching things here. We have a bullish crossover on the 4-hour RSI, but we're still in the bearish range. On the daily chart, we've got here, what do we have on the daily? Well, on the daily, we were nearly oversold as well. So last time we came close to those levels, we had that significant rally here. Yeah, so these oversold readings can be useful. Here as well, yeah, similar level on the 17th of June, and we had a rally here as well when we were, but we still can come down once more. I mean, that's what I'm saying. You know, it could still, it still has space in that support area. But yeah, that's sort of what we're looking at the moment. With BNB, not much more to add. Watching if the low is already in. I'm open to the idea we get one more low and to really confirm that we are going up in a third wave. And by the way, you know, we would be talking, if this really works out, we're talking about $400 plus. So there's a lot of space. But to really confirm we are breaking, a move above 294 is needed. Yeah. And then ideally a break out of that corrective price channel to the upside would be additional evidence. Okay, this is my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.